Scotland is a land rich in history and culture, and one of the fascinating aspects of its heritage is the existence of ancient clans. These clans played a significant role in Scottish society, and their stories are woven into the fabric of the country's past. One such clan is Clan Hopkirk, whose origins can be traced back to the lands of Hopkirk near Hawick in Roxburghshire. The name Hopkirk is believed to have multiple possible origins. One theory suggests that it could have been derived from the name Hop, which is a diminutive form of Robert. This implies that the lands of Hopkirk may have been dedicated to the church by a man named Hob, possibly a diminutive of Robert. Another theory links the name to the ancient family of Hopringle, who held lands near Stow in Roxburghshire during the 11th century. It is possible that someone associated with the Hopringle family was connected to the lands of Hopkirk. The presence of the name Hopkirk is evident in various early charters of land in Roxburghshire, indicating its significance in the region. In 1574, a James Hopkirk is recorded as a resident of Carrington, further solidifying the connection of the name with individuals in the area. The principal family associated with the name Hopkirk were the Lairds of Dalbeath, who held prominence within the clan. Clan Hopkirk, like many other Scottish clans, played an active role in Scottish history. One notable figure from the clan was James Hopkirk, a devout Covenanter. However, tragedy struck when James Hopkirk drowned off the coast of Orkney in 1679. His unfortunate demise serves as a reminder of the hardships and risks faced by individuals who were dedicated to their beliefs and principles during tumultuous times. The legacy of Clan Hopkirk continues to resonate with those who bear the name today. Their ancestral ties to the lands of Hopkirk near Hawick and their connections to the Lairds of Dalbeath showcase the historical significance of this clan within the Scottish landscape. As with many clans, the history of Clan Hopkirk is a tapestry woven with various threads of heritage, tradition, and stories passed down through generations. Exploring the origins and tales associated with clans provides us with a glimpse into the rich and vibrant history of Scotland. Clan Hopkirk, with its ties to Hopkirk lands and the Lairds of Dalbeath, holds a unique place within this fascinating tapestry.